Hey, Jasmine. Sorry. So, when you went through the security checkpoint, your bag went off, okay? I'm gonna need to check your bag to make sure you didn't steal any merchandise. Stop right now.
Get off my bag.
Let go, Jasmine.
Get off my bag, bro.
Jasmine, you need to let go.
Get off my bag. Relax. Get off my bag.
Relax. Let go of the bag. I'm going to search
Stop
it.
Stop touching me and get the off my bag.
Don't you dare.
Don't you fight him.
On April 6, 2022, Pensacola Police Department officers responded to a retail store in Pensacola, Escambia County, Florida. A customer had been asked to leave. She hadn't left. What followed was a $40 shoplifting call and 2 felony charges. The real issue here is not the stolen merchandise. It's what happens the moment a person physically resists a lawful investigatory stop.
For business, they can ask anybody to leave that they want to leave.
I can't come back?
Well, they do want to trespass you, I believe. But the most important thing is if a business owner asks you to leave, you're supposed to leave the premises. You can actually be arrested
He
for that.
actually told me that he wasn't the owner and that he was just a manager.
Well, the manager said she had asked you to leave as well. Bottom line is, though, if a business asks you to leave, you have to leave. It's a private business; they can do that. Someone can do it at their house too. If you're at someone's house and they say, "Hey, Jasmine, we want you to leave," and you say no.
They didn't say they didn't want me to leave. They said they wanted me to stop trying on their shit.
Okay. Well, it may have been a miscommunication. What she told me was that they asked you to leave and you got nasty and were swearing and just making a fuss.
You said, suck my dick, and I was like, well, I don't
Well, we don't need to repeat that anymore.
Why would I say that to you, sir?
Demi Moore said it, and G.I. Jane worked for her.
Huh?
Sorry, a little bit before your time. Are you a manager?
Yeah.
Okay. Just tell her she's not welcome back, and we're good.
You are trespassed. You're not welcome in the office.
Okay.
And how long are you
So, Jasmine, hold on. Listen for a second. Have you ever been trespassed anywhere before?
No.
Okay. So the way this works is if you come back for any reason within the next year, that's as long as it can be valid for.
It's just a year?
This next year, listen carefully, if you come back for any reason, you can go to jail. Okay, so you can go anywhere else in the mall. That depends on the judge. You'll go to jail, you get booked, and you'll have a trial, and the judge will determine what your sentence is. But you need to leave right now, otherwise I'll take you to jail today.
I mean, I'm going to leave right now, but I'm going to come back in here regardless because...
If you do, they're going to tell us...
They're going to take me to jail,
yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
But I'm not going to be in jail for long, and then they're just going to let me come
So,
out.
Jasmine, I need you to leave right now, or you're going to go to jail today. All right. You got your ID card by chance?
Yeah. No, it's actually not. I can go grab it.
Yeah, that'd be easier. The state of Florida prefers, in cases like this, that we issue what's called a trespass warning. That's basically a civil... Not shocking. Was that their... Yeah, it was. Do you want to follow up on that?
Well, she's trespass warned, so if she comes
Did you want
back,
to do
just
anything?
call us.
She beat whenever she walked out. Just let it go.
Well, I kind of figured something was out, but...
Do you want to follow up on it or no?
I mean, I don't know if we could check her bag, then yeah.
Well, we have reasonable suspicion at this point.
Is that what you want?
130.
130.
78, thank you, bro.
Hey, Jasmine. Sorry. So, when you went through the security checkpoint, your bag went off, okay? I'm going to need to check your bag to make sure you didn't steal any merchandise.
This is the shirt that, what's it called? These are my pants, my sweatpants.
Okay. Hold on. I need you to put this down for me. I don't want you reaching in there anymore. Stop right now.
Get off my bag.
Let go, Jasmine.
Get off my bag, bro.
Jasmine, you need to let go.
Get off my bag.
Relax.
Get off my bag.
Relax. Let go of the bag. I'm going to search
Stop
it.
touching me and get the off my bag.
If you don't relax,
Hey.
you're going to end up getting an additional charge if you don't stop it. Stop right now.
Stop.
Don't you dare.
Don't you bite him.
147 Pensacola.
147.
Please call my dad. Can you call my dad?
Not right now.
Call him, bro.
In a
He
minute.
need to know
In a minute.
that I'm going to jail. Stop him. Call my dad
Okay.
so he can know I'm going to jail.
You're going to stand up, and I'm going to have this officer search you. Do you have anything on you going to get you in trouble or get her hurt? Stop. Stop fussing with the cuffs.
177.
Stop fussing with the cuffs.
It's not gonna make them go away.
Actually, show me out as a Kangaroo Express at 8:20.
Why is you in my vagina?
Vehicle. Up before 28, when you're ready.
Let me stand her up.
I got that pocket for. Come on,
Stand
Jen.
up for me.
Stand up,
Stand
Jasmine.
up.
Trying to down.
Well, then stand up.
up.
We're trying. Stand up. All right.
But those are my polo pants that I bought.
Okay, we're going to sort that all out.
You need another 177.
All right, I'll hold on to her. You want to search, or you want to hold on to her while I search the bag?
Yeah.
You got her?
Yeah. She's good.
That's the 177. She needs it.
She had the underwear in her pocket. I don't know if that's theirs.
Okay.
130 is about to get out with me.
Do me a favor, go grab that manager, bring him over here.
177. Go ahead. You're 28.
Those are polo pants from Bill.
Floor tag.
I was
Golf
planning on
Charlie X-ray Lima 63.
You were planning on what?
going somewhere tomorrow so I can put those on.
Okay. 1034 comes back to a silver Chevy to Darlene Jones. Decal expires 9/23.
Temper. 110, are you temple? Yeah, you can't tell anybody coming to me. They're having problems with it.
Are either of these yours?
Yeah, this is ours.
Okay.
So I'm not accepting on that crash and water.
10-4.
No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Make them a little tighter on her. She's got little
right.
wrists. She's trying to take them off. Here, let's just stop. Stop.
Bitch, what the f?
You need to stop.
Stop resisting arrest, or I'm going to charge you. All right, that's battery.
One that's touching me.
Then stop.
You are under arrest for shoplifting.
When Jasmine passed through the exit sensors and the alarm activated, that changed the legal frame entirely. Under Terry versus Ohio, officers can briefly detain a person when there is reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. The alarm, the prior dispute, and the manager's report cleared that threshold. While some argue a sensor alarm alone is insufficient, courts consistently apply the totality of circumstances standard. Here, that totality is clear. Still, had Jasmine allowed the bag check, this likely ends with a misdemeanor. What she did next is where the exposure multiplied.
We will worry about that later. Stop resisting. Stop trying to scratch me. Stop trying to scratch me.
Stop. Then stop.
Stop you doing all that shit, bro.
Stop.
Stop. You have to calm down. I'm going to tighten the cuffs to keep you from escaping.
Calling me, bitch.
Then calm down.
Can you do a criminal history
Yeah,
for
you're-
Trump?
Yeah.
10-4.
There you go. She scratched me.
What about that other shirt in there? Ask him if it's his too.
You just got yourself a felony charge, Jasmine.
Yeah, that's got several of them that post on.
Let's go take her to your car,
Okay.
and we'll come back and deal with this.
All right.
Come on, Jeff.
Stand up for me. Stand up.
Stand up.
Where's my bag at? Right? Can you give that to
It will.
that lady right there?
Nope.
You stay here for me, okay? Go.
I want
Need my bag.
It will come with. He's gonna stand here.
Okay. All right.
Come on.
on.
He's gonna stand here with your bag. Your bag's gonna come with us. So just walk.
You are not getting away. Stop it. Stop. Stop resisting.
Stop, Jasmine.
You are going to jail today. It is happening. Stop resisting.
Stop.
214. Porter with 80 on top.
Stop. Walk.
You just broke my chain, bro.
Well, if you would walk, this wouldn't happen.
1098.
Walk.
Stand up.
Come on, Jasmine. Stand up. Act like an adult. Hold on.
Headquarters, Unit 80.
You got another officer. We'll
Yep.
drag her.
Still an officer. 80 good.
Get off the
Headquarters,
radio.
subject has 39 County.
What's it for?
You're not getting the cuffs off. Stop it.
It's going to be for larceny. 76.
Can you send us one more unit, please?
Stop.
How about I give y'all all the money that y'all need for them outfits that was only $20?
212.
Time for that has passed.
First time being around, how about it on?
10.
You want to get up and walk?
1042 and 41 and 41. What are you doing? You like
Stop kicking me.
I'm not kicking you. I'm trying to get out.
Well, you can't get out. Stop.
This is not a game, Jasmine. I'm gonna roll over on her stomach.
Yes.
You gonna kill me like how y'all did George?
No one's gonna do anything.
No one's
to you.
gonna hurt
Just
you.
Cooperate.
Everything that's happening to you is on you.
Stop.
There's gum in my hair. Can you take it out?
No, I'm not worried about that right now.
130, I was unable to call.
So when do I get out? Today?
Well, you're gonna have a very high bond, so it'll depend on how much money you have.
Which was only $40 stolen?
You battered a law enforcement officer and you resisted arrest.
I didn't battery you.
Okay, talk to your lawyer about that.
I don't have a lawyer. Call my dad though to let him know that he's finna.
I'll call him when you're at the jail.
No, call him now because he's the one that dropped me off.
No.
You want us to call him?
Yes, can you call him?
I will call him if you
So
get
he
up and
can come
walk.
over here.
Listen to me. You get up and walk. I will call him.
Okay.
You gonna get up and walk?
His number is 850-5.
Hold on. I'm not gonna
We'll worry
call him
about that
until
when we get to the car.
we're in the car. Once we're in the car, I will call him.
Stand up for us. Put your hands behind your back
Where's
where they
my
belong.
bag at?
I will
It's in
get
the-
your
it's
bag.
in
Do you
the
want me to call your dad or
store.
not? If you give us a problem, I'm not calling your dad.
Call my dad.
I will as soon as you get in the car.
We will call you, call him
You
as soon
gonna
as you
get
get
up?
to the car.
700.
Y'all pulling me the wrong way.
You're the
Hands
person
have
who
got to
put
go that way.
your
There you
hands
go.
under your legs. Now stand up. I'm gonna roll you over. It's easier if you do it from your side. Stand up.
Send your bag.
There you go.
Come on.
All right, don't. Come on, don't.
She keeps trying to get out of the cuffs.
Stop.
You gonna walk this time?
Oh, y'all got my titties out and everything.
That's on you, Jasmine.
Stop! That shit hurts. Stop.
Walk.
You're making it too tight.
Walk.
Turn her this way and drag her.
Stop trying to twist
Look
it.
at all these cuts.
That's from you.
That's from you, bitch.
Hey, stop.
I got it. She's gonna fall though. We're gonna have to grab her feet probably.
Guys.
Here we go.
I'm telling you, it's much easier.
All right, that's fine. She's not.
It's much easier.
My dad is in the mall. You can go see him right
Go this
now.
way. Turn her back towards us, guys. Now.
There you go.
No, turn the Cyrus. Turn this.
Oh yeah. Come on. All right, that'll work.
Okay.
Yo.
Yeah.
Out and to the right. Hold on. I want to cuff her one more time. She keeps slipping these cuffs.
Stand up, sir. Put your pants up.
Make sure the keyways are on the bottom.
Am I bleeding?
No.
I am.
Because you keep cuffing them around me too tight. So I can get out today by
We're not going to talk about that right now. Just get in the car.
All right. Is that from her nails?
Yeah. Nasty ass nails.
Hey there. We want to trespass with the mall too as well.
He didn't cooperate, Jasmine. We'll call him in a bit. Gentlemen, sorry about that.
Tell me where that H&M
I legitimately wanted to help you, but I'm like, I don't want to get anybody in trouble by it. So
No, we had two officers, and she wasn't really, it was more about keeping her safe than her hurting us. Although she did scratch me.
So this isn't y'all's.
No, but
goes at 614-403 November Alpha.
The moment Jasmine grabbed the bag from the officer, she crossed from a Terry stop into obstruction. Florida Statute 843.02 prohibits knowingly obstructing an officer in the execution of their duties, a first-degree misdemeanor. The sustained kicking, scratching, and attempted bite then triggered Florida Statute 843.01, resisting an officer with violence, a third-degree felony. Under Graham versus Connor, force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not hindsight. Given Jasmine's active resistance across multiple minutes, the escalating restraint employed falls squarely within that standard. The officers did not initiate force. They responded to it. The second felony came from a scratch. Under Florida Statute 784.07, any intentional offensive touching of a law enforcement officer during the performance of their duties is battery on a law enforcement officer, a third-degree felony carrying up to 5 years in Florida State Prison. That said, battery on a Leo from a scratch is a charge prosecutors weigh carefully. The injury was minor. Whether it gets filed as a standalone count or rolled into a plea depends on the state attorney's office discretion. The base theft charge falls under Florida Statute 812.015, retail theft under $100, a second-degree misdemeanor. The value confirmed on camera was roughly $40. Under Florida Statute 810.09, a business can prohibit any individual from returning for up to 1 year. Jasmine stated on camera she intended to return regardless, a statement with direct evidentiary value in any future trespass prosecution. The lead officer handled the trespass process with notable patience, explaining the law accurately and giving Jasmine repeated opportunities to walk away. During the arrest, he escalated force only in response to her resistance, checked her risk for injury mid-custody, and responded correctly to her George Floyd reference. Jasmine entered this call with misdemeanor-level exposure at most. She left facing 2 felonies. Every decision she made after the alarm activated, refusing the bag check, resisting, scratching, kicking, added a charge. Lesson 1. A trespass warning is not a negotiation. Florida Statute 810.09 gives a private business authority to exclude anyone for any lawful reason. If you believe the exclusion is wrong, the remedy is a lawyer and a civil claim, not refusing to leave. Question 2. A bag check following a security alarm is a Terry stop, not a voluntary search. Physically preventing it converts a brief detention into an obstruction charge. Lesson 3. The charge stack is real. A $40 shoplifting call, a second-degree misdemeanor, ended in 2 third-degree felonies. Every act of physical resistance added a count. Drop a comment if there's a body cam interaction or legal issue you'd like covered. Thanks for watching.